The Alexa built-in voice service on select Acura models lets you use your voice to control music, weather, smart home devices, and more. Alexa built-in works with your Acura's infotainment system. The voice service responds to user prompts through the vehicle's speakers. Here's how to get started using Alexa built-in. From the vehicle home screen, select the Alexa icon. Select Get Started. Agree to the terms and conditions. Since Alexa built-in requires an internet connection, you may be prompted to connect your Acura to the internet. If so, here's how to do this using your smartphone's internet connection. In the vehicle's Wi-Fi network screen, select Change Mode and ensure you are in network mode. In your smartphone settings, turn your personal Wi-Fi hotspot on. Now, connect your Acura to your smartphone's Wi-Fi by selecting your phone from the on-screen list. Enter your phone's personal Wi-Fi hotspot password and select Connect. Alternatively, you can connect your Acura directly to the internet using the vehicle's integrated 4G LTE connection. Once connected to the internet, return to the home screen and select Alexa again. You will now be prompted to register your vehicle. Scan the QR code using your smartphone, or you can enter the code shown on screen at amazon.com/code. Next, you'll either access your existing Amazon account or create a new one. The vehicle will automatically register your account once logged in. This allows saved commands on your Amazon account to be used within your vehicle. You're now registered and ready to use Alexa built-in. On the welcome screen, ensure the Remember Me box is checked and then select Continue. Finally, swipe through the onboarding screens and then select Finish to complete the setup process. Alexa built-in features a wide range of helpful capabilities. Use Alexa built-in to stream music, check the weather forecast, answer questions, control smart home devices, and much more. Note that on some models, you cannot use Alexa built-in at the same time as wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. To use both smartphone features at the same time, be sure to connect to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto using a USB connection. Here's how to activate the Alexa built-in voice service. The easiest way to interact with Alexa built-in is using the verbal wake word. From any screen, simply say, "Alexa," and the system is ready for your request. On the Alexa main screen, you can select the Alexa button. From the Alexa main screen, you can also press the steering wheel talk button. Alexa built-in's hands-free listening function is on by default, but can easily be disabled. From the Alexa main screen, select Menu. Select Settings. Select Alexa hands-free listening. Choose Off.